So this is a part two of the two analysis. So yeah, I didn't really go in depth in the last one, but when I checked it out, like cause on my in the kind of product research that I do is kind of like when I see the product, I run the ads, I test it, I show you guys the analytics, the performance, whether it's good or bad product, I'll show you guys. But this niche scraper websites or this dropshipping tool is more advanced. Like show the profit margin which is 22, which is actually cool. Show the cost per acquisition, let me see cost per sale and net sale. So like between $3 to $6 cost per acquisition, this cost per sale, and net profit which is 16 to 19. And they show you targeting. It's actually targeting that was mind blowing to me. They show the Facebook ads, like the Facebook ad, how it's going, the performance of the Facebook ad, and they show the ad copy. They're basically giving everything to just copy and paste. They give you an example targeting USA. So like you don't even need to run any testing. Already said testing is a must. Try the example for like keep adjustment. Where with this example targeting, it's kind of like let's say to this your targeting work from 100% to 40%, because with this you can just A/B test this on each ad set, A/B test this on each ad set, and I'm pretty sure you will start getting a lot of sales off this product because it's actually like mind blowing. It's actually mind blowing. It's actually mind blowing. But this is not what I want to show. I just want to show you guys this is a particular product that profit margin, everything. But this is not what I was like trying to go. This one goes to it shows you the niches, the top niches and the TikTok ads. Let's say you are a TikTok dropshipper, this is also useful for you. I just copy some TikTok ad, do the Shopify page and make tons of sales of just like copy and paste. Basically, nobody's going to copyright you except if you're running an ads for a branded product. So when I come, I always put it to this week. I don't need to. This year is too competitive. So a lot of things could have happened in the past few months, which could have made a product that was performing well to stop performing well. To narrow it down to this week's. And when you look here, you can see jewelry is the number one. Mobile phone accessories, where that's something that is preferable. That's something that we all normally mobile tech products only sell. There's art, craft, and sewing. I wasn't expecting that to be number three. Then the portable audio and video for video editor and audio editor. Makeup, which is under the beauty niche, festive and party supply. Basically, United States will be the most, be the most the audience that buys this product the most. You have the kitchen, the dining, nail art, home storage, pet and pro. There's still more, but I think because I'm limited by the upgrade, it's showing only 10. But when you view products, you're able to see tons of products. I like to view makeup because makeup is a product that's kind of like attraction marketing. Females buy it to look beautiful. So when you run an ads related to makeup products, you make sales because if the product beats other brand products, you make sales. But competition is there, but this to already remove the competition, showing you what is performing well and what is not performing. Due to my limitation, I can't access this side. But you guys get the idea of what I was trying to show you guys. So I'm going to Ad Spy, which is TikTok Ad Spy, and I also have a tool for video ad maker, but I'm pretty sure it can't work. I think I'm limited on it too. Basically, Ad Spy, you can also spy on Facebook ad there, but I don't think this should really be work because Facebook remove the ads library on it for from other people. You can see here these are TikTok ads that you can just steal and post spam, buy views on it, put your link in the bio and get sales from it. You're basically stealing their audience, which is not against TikTok terms and service, which is actually not against anything. I think in Facebook they're more restricted, section 2000 okay, still available. You can also steal this. I mean most of the cases I steal people ad. This comes in different languages. So you can just narrow it by language. So for you guys get the idea, you can just narrow it by country or language and copy this. So basically this thing is giving you everything in your hand to use and kick off your dropshipping career. So for the video ad maker, just input it and it makes a video for you. It takes time. It takes time to input it, but it will it's always works. It uses a free royalty free music. It's almost like an AI video ad maker but for marketing only, which is actually cool. But in everything building it raw on your own using Camtasia is still the best. You also need editing software is still the best because you edit it perfectly and it comes out in quality, and you can change it because you have the script. Unlike when you are not satisfied with what is provided for you, you are not like changing it again and again and again. So this we don't need all this. Like you guys get the idea of how powerful this tool is and why you need this tool. So you can even copy this video and use it as an ad copy video and makes use of it. As you can see, these are competitors that are already selling this kind of product. You can just copy what they're doing and no need to come like make it up from scratch. Just copy and use, copy and use, copy and use, and beat them in their own competition if you have enough ad spend for Facebook or Google advertising or Instagram ads, literally anywhere you're advertising your product as a dropshipper.